The Somali internet cafe. There was a time in the world in London you could not enter an internet cafe without seeing an uptie behind the desk. These internet cafes in the UK were owned by Somalis. Ever in London. Somali uncles back in the days had the internet cafe in a headlock. You'd enter one of these places. Every single one of these internet cafes back in the days was owned by an uptie. £1 for an hour. Remember that? Or 50p. If you're lucky, you find the places that do 50p for an hour of internet time. Back in the days, these youngers will never know. Some of us didn't even have computers, PCs, laptops, played nothing in our yards. Some of us were broke. This was the only place you could really enjoy yourself back in the days. The internet cafe business was booming. Upties were eating. I could not go anywhere in London without finding you wanted to print something off, you wanted to go online, you wanted to send an email, go to the local uptie internet cafe, you're going to find him there. And tell me if I'm lying, the place was never refurbished. It always looked like this. And it always looked the same inside. But you know, no matter what the place looked like, inside